Hi guys, I can't really talk right now, but I try to do the intro as best as I can. So as it's September and Halloween approaches, I thought I'd try to start a Halloween series where I would do simple SFX or just makeup looks and little tutorials for Halloween. For example, how to do horns, how to do simple wounds. Like this one, it's not very realistic or the most realistic looking one, but for Halloween I think it's enough and it's good. So yeah, I wanted to start this series also for me to try to get better at SFX, and I hope you like this tutorial, and here you go. The first step is to prime your lid with a concealer. I'm using the Age Rewind by Maybelline. Next I'm gonna use the Swamp Queen palette by Tarte and Graveyard Girl, and I'm gonna use the shadow Mancat and apply it in the outer corner and my crease. Then I'm gonna blend that shadow, and I'm gonna use the lid Lingerie by NYX and use a light brown shadow to blend out the edges. Now I'm gonna cut the crease with my concealer, and I'm gonna apply Sassy Bun from the Swamp Queen palette on top. I'm gonna do my brows like I usually do with a brow mascara, but you can do them however you want to. Now to the fun part. I'm gonna apply liquid latex in the areas where I want to have my wounds. Afterwards I'm gonna put some torn up cotton pads on top. You also can use torn up cotton balls. Don't forget to coat those with liquid latex again. While the liquid latex is drying, I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe 35B palette and a small pencil brush, and I'm gonna create some streaks down my cheek. I also take my finger to blend and drag the color even more. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using the Yves Rocher Sexy Pulp, and now my eye makeup is done. First I'm gonna take some dark red cream paint and a torn up sponge, and I'm gonna start painting the burnt area. Afterwards I'm gonna take a brush to apply some more cream paint and blend around the wound. Now to create some depth, I'm gonna use a smaller brush and some brown cream paint, and I'm gonna put that in some areas. lot of going back and forth between the red and the brown to create some depth and the dimension and the illusion that it's a real wound. When you're happy with the results, you can use some white to highlight some areas. Now I'm gonna use the same brown shadow I used for the eyes to go around the wound and blend so that it looks like the skin is irritated. To finish the wound, I'm gonna apply some clear gloss to make the wound seem more realistic. And now you're done.